Okay, here we is up on this roof at Hughes Market, Saturday afternoon. I had things around the house I could have done, but I just said, how come I just mess with this today? Thing is more trouble than I thought it was going to be to put together. This is an old little model draft fan for the kitchen. So the motor went out in it. Up here, some motor here. See how it's locked up right there? So boy, it don't look good down in there neither. You got a bunch of grease buildup. Here's the new motor here. Tomorrow's new motor. So it's gonna take me a minute. Y'all always charge people not enough to do something, but they think it take $5 to put this together, but you can't do it. I had to take all this stuff apart to try to get this motor put in here. So I just wanted to video a little bit, let the owner see what's going on here. Man, I tell you. Well, that's the old motor. They ain't never been locked up a long time. Like I said, there's the new motor over there. Well, y'all, I get all this stuff back together. Then I'll show you another video of how it's running when I get it back together. And I need to start recording, go ahead on it. Get this busy. Oh, man. So I think I got everything up here about needed. Finish tearing it down. Okay, y'all. On part 2, I'll show you when I get it all back together. And let your head run. So we'll be done with this. Alright, y'all.